Yeah. What is he having there?
You want to flood out Shelly Veranda, make Shelly put up awning to keep off rain. You want to sit with your penny barn and resemble you.
Bedroom bully. Yeah. Bedroom bully. Careful in the soldier. Yeah. Bedroom bully. I don't say I want to buy me, I'm going to try again. Watch the mirror, watch the mirror. Yeah. Bedroom bully. Talk to me now. What is he having there?
You want eye with my sugar up your sperm count and your nerves and your joints and make your pitney resemble you?
Yeah. Yeah.
You want Ramon and Medina and Changback saucy perilla? Front end lift up you up, you have a rip up sheet. And broke down the bed and still do it. You want bedroom bully?
Hold on. Say that again.
Ramon